Warning: the content in this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing shared here should be considered financial advice. Trading futures, stocks, or any financial instrument involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. I highly recommend consulting a financial advisor and starting with paper trading, simulation, and doing your own research before risking real money. All right, greetings everybody. This is A-Team Trader Strategies here with you again for Monday's overnight session. So I want another eval account today through My Funded Futures. That's what this blue line here is for. That's where I entered the position. I'm in the position now. And this is my target up here, the green line, wherever it is. I thought there was a green. Oh yeah, here it is. Whoa, way up here, above the previous high of day. So I'm just gonna let that go, and that's the one trade I'm holding on that account. And now here we are. We are 51,172.50. So we're getting closer to. I did make a few trades earlier today on this account, which got me a little bit of an increase here. Part of yesterday's trading. So I'll show you those trades real fast. It was, where was it? Well, that's interesting. It's not showing it. It's not showing my executions. Oh, okay. Well, let's see. Maybe on the 10-minute it will. Nope. I don't know what's going on with Take Profit Trader. Yeah, it's acting kind of weird. It's not showing any of my trade executions on this account. Hey, that's okay though. Whatever. But anyway, we're going to be working on this account today. Yeah, I'm not sure if the trades will count or not, but we'll see. Let's see if we can buy one. So 10-minute, we're right in the middle. Where, we'll probably just go ahead and wait until the bottom of the VWAP. Go ahead and put a buy limit there. It allowed me to do it, and I'm logged into the Tradeovate account, so maybe it'll work. I don't know. But here, I'll show you the account summary so you can see that there is no account orders. It's interesting. I don't know if it's going to count. We'll see what happens. We'll do this for fun anyway. I am logged in, so we'll see. But anyway, that's the first trade of the night. I'm just going to be patient and wait. And yeah, I will probably DCA down here. Let's see on the 45-minute. Yeah, right in the middle. So if it does dip, it'll go right back up. 1 hour. All right. I think we're okay. You know what? Maybe put our buy limit down here. See if it is. Yeah, right there. The bottom of this big green candle. I have a long bias again. I'm not looking for any shorts. If I am, it'll be when this thing is very oversold, and it'll be a quick in and out. So anyway, we'll wait. Okay, so this thing really got to move it here. Oh, filled us, and it's going wacko right now. 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, or 8 p.m. Eastern time. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Do we DCA in? No, not yet. I don't think so. I think a good plan. There's 2 lines here. Still leave one of those. A good plan would be, just in case, we'll go ahead and go in for 4. Down here. 4 long. Not 4 long, but 3. 3 more. There we are. We got a buy 3 limit right down there. My other trade's still okay. I think we'll be all right. Look, we had a lot of buyer support right there, right? So went down real fast, came up, and then started coming down again. And this candle just started. It's got 3 minutes left. So let's see if we get a little hammer on this. If not, it's okay. We'll just wait. I'm not freaking out. Just gotta stay calm. All right, folks. So if this goes up into the green, I will start trailing. All right, so dinner's ready. But anyway, yeah, if it starts trailing up, if it starts going up into the green, I'm just gonna set a stop, lock in a win here. Fortunately, dinner's ready. Dinner's calling, so I may have to just step away for a little bit. Still got my buy limit here. And you know what? If the floor just drops out, whatever. We blow an eval. That's okay. We got another one to work on anyway. Just go on up so I can lock in a stop. Put my stop right there. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna get it out of the way though. For sure. Okay. Seeing a little green. Let's see what's happening at the top of the order book here. So buyers coming in, right? And I know I don't often, but since we're so choppy, it's like you don't really know where it's gonna go. I will set it at break even the first opportunity I get. If it flips this VWAP, it's got to flip the VWAP and the POC. There we go. And we'll just hold off. Hold off. There we are. Okay, we'll go to break even now. See what happens. Gonna get rid of this. There we are. And we can lock in something. Okay, so I'm gonna go eat dinner. I got that just sitting there underneath the POC for now. If I get stopped out, whatever. Still a win. Anyway, I'll be back. Oh, there we go. We just got stopped out. All right. Anyway, I'll be back. Alrighty, I'm back. So it looks like we kind of missed out on this move here, but that's okay. It's alright. We will have another opportunity. Just gotta be patient. Wait for key levels. Right here, put in a sell, which will be a quick scalp. So actually, we'll just do this. Limit. Move this up here. Ah, shoot. Put it for a short stop and a short target profit. And there we go. We will leave that sit. Actually, we'll go ahead and do. What's wrong? Not letting me move. Okay. It's actually has to come down a little bit. That's where I want it. Oh my goodness. I don't know what's. Oh, I gotta hit sell. Duh. I was wondering why it kept moving. Oh, and I missed it. I missed getting filled. Oh man, I hate this. Ugh, so dumb. Well, yeah, we missed that one. Oh goodness. Gotta hit sell. Duh. Oopsie. That's why I just always do market usually. You know what? I like it though. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. Let's see if it retests that again. Oh, so annoying. Look at that big old wick. Could have gotten filled right there. Oh. I don't really want to buy here. It could go further down. Alrighty, well, we're in the trade. I'm just going to go ahead and bring it to break even. Be ready to sell again. Should I have to? We'll see if it taps up there one more time. Yep. Gonna do it again. Get our buy stop ready. I'm not DCAing into a short. I'm not gonna do it. Into a long? Sure. Because we're in a bull market. But not into a short. Okie dokie. That was a break even. Still some buying pressure out there, huh? Okay, up, 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 up it goes. No volume though. No volume. So this will come down pretty quickly, I do believe. Put a buy stop here. Put it right there. Waiting for it to reverse on us. So there's a falling knife here, rising knife over here. See if we can catch it. Let us see. Got 5 seconds left on this candle. Got a little bit of a wick at the top. Okay, it's coming on back down. Ready to move my stop here any second. Extremely overbought. Not extremely, but well, yeah, it's kind of extreme now on the 5 minute. We got a little shade of green. About the same point that we were here, except just exact inverse of it. Okay. Losing again. I'm gonna do it again. Why did it fill me down here? Doesn't make any sense. Let's see what happens. Is this move done yet? I'm not sure. We may be losing on this eval account for now, but we're winning on the other one. We done yet? We got a lot of volume though. A lot of volume on this move. So it's looking good. I just want a little pullback. Okay, little shade of green there. Put this at break even right now. Stop me out immediately. Still going up. Still going up. Boy. Okay. Let's do that again. It's got to come down sometime. Right? We are into the extremely overbought area now. All right. Candles looking promising so far. It'll pretty be. I think it'll be a nice swing down once it comes down. But boy, we got a lot of volume. Let's look at the 10 minute. 10 minutes in the overbought area too. 45 starting to get there. 45 minute. Hourly. We still got more room to go on the hourly. That's why I'm not. It's not a big swing or anything. I'm not targeting that much. All right. There we go. We can at least maybe take a tick on this. It should drop further down, but I'm ready to keep going back in. Okay. Alrighty. And we stop short. Okay, let's see here. See what happens. Is it just gonna keep going up and up and up? I have no clue. That's what it seems to want to do. Put that break even this time. Got some kids screaming out there. Alrighty. Got a nice little doge. Is this the top? Is this the top? Temporary top. So we don't confuse ourselves. How far away am I from the target? Okay. I might just go ahead and go over to my other one and put in my stop for a win. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'll be back to this one. We'll see what happens here. I got my stop in place. Okay, so we're over here, right? So we can lock in stop on this guy. And you know what? I'm going to put it right there. It's 6017. So now you can see it. This is the trade I was talking to you about. I just left it without a stop. Because, I was willing to just blow the account. But now that I got a little bit of wiggle room here, I'm going to leave it right there. So now let's go back. Let's go to the other guy again. Okay, so back to it, right? We set our stop at 6017 for the other guy. We'll put a red line there. Just so we'll know if we get stopped out or not. Was it right there? Yeah, it was. Okay, we'll change that line. Already got a line there. Change it to red. That's where I'm gonna get stopped out. Okay, so 5 minute. We're still kind of extremely overbought, but let's see. See what it does. Looks like we did catch the end of that move, but I got stopped out for nothing. One more little bump, and I will go ahead and go in short again. See if my stop on the other guy is safe. I think it wants to get to the high of day. I'm not sure. Let's see if it just consolidates here and gives us some relief on the 5 minute, and then we'll go in long. So we'll just wait. And I just got back into my other one, so we could just trail it up. So we'll see what happens here. See, look, 6017. Oh, 601675. Okay, that's a better one. feel like maybe I should have just have a copy trader, but I don't want to blow 2 accounts at once. I don't have small enough targets, you know, and quick enough scalps for the most part, especially on the long side, to do copy trading across multiple accounts like that. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the other one and go short. Why is that sell stop there? Oh. Oh, no. I thought I... No, man. Okay, it's fine. We took a profit on it. Oh, I thought I was on the other guy. Oh, what the heck. Oops. One. Probably best I did. I don't know. Let's see. Sell one. With a tight stop. Again. I'm gonna delete that dude. Probably, we would have probably been stopped out for a lesser gain anyway. Well, we're just going to focus on this account. And once we get to our target here, we will go ahead and so what is my target? I guess it would be 50. 52.5? Maybe a little less than that. That's what's annoying about these evals. It's like you can only go so far. We'll say 52,200. And then we'll have 800 left to go. And I think I'd be alright with that. How much more can it go? How much more can it go? I do not know. But yeah, I'm really thinking all-time highs are coming, you know? This is all looks like it's poison to really test this up here. But we shall see. We shall see. Alright, we'll go ahead and do that. Put in our stop. Again. Waiting for that drop. Has done nothing but just keep grinding on up. Yeah, so we've been losing consistently, but I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to catch this eventually. I don't mind. We're losing little bits here and there. But you know, we're going to keep our tight stops. Going to keep our tight stops until it breaks. Oy. Okay. I'm going to move my... I'm going to have my stop a little higher this time. Bring it up here. Still lots of buying pressure. I'm just wondering when these guys are going to decide to take their profit. If they are. Yeah, you see that? We're getting started on a green day now. So, my prediction is nothing but up from here. Would have been nice to have been trailing my stop up, but what are you gonna do? See if this loses momentum here. I was thinking this may have been it, but nope, I was wrong. Boy, right through, huh? Keeps on going. Keeps on going. They want that high a day, I guess. I don't know if they're going to get there, though. They just might. Okay, we're going to break even at least on this guy. Is this where we could trail it down now? Yeah, maybe. Maybe not. Okay. Try it again. If you're wondering right now, no, I'm not on tilt. I know this move is back down is coming. It's going to be a big one. That's why I got my stops tight. Let's see, we're going to put in an automatic stop here on a market. 5 ticks. 5 tick stop. Okay, there it goes. Oh, goodness. There it goes again. 5 tick stop. We're right at the high of day now. Is this where we're finally good? Boy, that's a big green candle. Can't believe it. We are extremely overbought. So, I don't know if some news has come out or what. Maybe I should look that up. Any news? China deal? What? What's happening here? Why is everybody so bullish all of a sudden? Don't see anything recent. Okay, we'll go ahead and break even at least. Leave that there. Hopefully it keeps dropping. Yeah, I don't know. Just normal market mechanics, but sign of things to come. For sure. Leave the stop loss in. Put it right above the previous high day. Alright, I'm just going to leave it. Let's just leave it. If it breaks the high of day, then it breaks the high of day and I lose. It's fine. I'll take the loss. So many trades on these candles up. Oh, they just keep on suckering me in. They gotta let it drop sometime. Look at that VWAP. Point straight up. Whoop. Funny stuff. So it went down to shoot right up to the high of day. Now let's see if we can ride this on down. Make back our losses here. This is a key level of resistance right here. Yesterday's high. Let's see if it breaks through. I'd be surprised if it does. It could. Indicators don't mean nothing, right? Like past results are not indicative of future results, right? Past performance is not indicative of future results. Usually it is, but sometimes it isn't. See what happens. It's got to break eventually. It's got to break, right? There we go. Got sellers coming in. Okay. Boy, that knife stabbed us a few times, to say the least. I'm not going to trail. Not till we get a big move. Oh, I can't believe I closed out of that other trade. That makes me so upset. Ugh. I really thought I was in this account and I was going to try to go short. Man, because I wouldn't mind, just going rocketing up like this. At least I would have hit my target on the other account. Man, that sucks. Oh well, that's what happens, I guess. Ugh, tough. Hey, a win is a win, so I won on the other account. It's fine. Hmm. I just hope this thing drops already. I mean, logic says we should. It would make sense. It would make sense that we drop right here. How do you screw up a bull market? Well, you just saw. You just saw exactly how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. That's exactly how you do it. Oh, you close out of your your long way too early. To be fair, that was on accident. And boy, it just wants to keep going. All right, we broke the previous high of day. This is very bullish, man. But we are way, way overbought. Let me see what happens here. I want to go ahead and do it again. Let's see, I just don't care. I just don't care. Man, good volume too. Good volume. Craziness. We're in the 90s on our RSI now. Something big is happening. I don't know what. Is this the reverse of the Liberation Day or what? What is going on? Some news? I have no clue. What has happened? Interesting stuff. See, there's my target, man. We're so close to where my previous target was on that stupid thing. Oh my goodness, I am so upset at that. So upset. Delete that. Goodness. Here we are, still losing money on the way up. This thing just doesn't want to come back. There's got to be some kind of news. Let's see. Maybe I searched the wrong thing. Tariff news. Is there any tariff news out there? I don't see anything. And do it again. It's got to come back sometime. In fact, wow. Okay. I'm going to do 2 contracts. This is crazy. This is very weird. All of that progress lost. Huh. Okay. All right. I'm just going to, you know what? This is it, folks. 4. All right. If it doesn't drop, it doesn't drop. Whatever. I'm willing to go through the pain now. We are way up here. Way up here. I don't see any news. Like, what's going on? Nothing. Just some market maker buying the crap out of this. Pushing us into the 90s in the RSI. Look at this. On the 5-minute, 10-minute, we're green. Brought everything up. 10-minute, we're green. Hourly, we're becoming overbought. Insane. Insane in the membrane. The 1-minute, this is great. Man. I don't know what to do about this. And you know what? We're going to go ahead and go short on our other one. Because this just doesn't make any sense. We're only going to go short for 1, though. Are we already in short for 1? Oh, we still had that sell limit. We hit our target. Okay, that's good enough for me. Where is our stop going to be, though? That's the question. We're going to lock in a stop on this guy. Oh, wait. No. Not 4. Just 1. We're going to lock in a stop because I think we can. Just got to do it sometime here. Go break even. I might be on a little bit of a tilt now. Oh. This is weird, man. Weird. Definitely not normal behavior. This will break even anyway. Don't mind it. I don't mind it. All signals point to sell and have been for like the past 20 minutes. You need a pullback, don't you? How far can this go? Some market maker has just entered into a huge long position. You can mark my words on that one. Minimize my loss there. Just wondering when this thing is going to turn around. I may go back to my other account and just be blown out. I have no idea. Can't believe I hit that target. I would just be done with this account for today. Oh, man. Oh, can't believe it. I really can't believe it. That was such a dumb move. Okay. Break even again. Increase in volume, increase in volume. It's going to keep going up. Boy, this is weird. Done now? See if we're done now. I hope we are. I don't want to blow that other account. It sucks. After so much progress made yesterday. Oh. Oh, this is sick. Oh, better get that in. Okay. So at least the break even. Haven't lost too badly just yet. Okay. A little bit of something locked in. First time I've seen plus 50 on a short. Crazy. And we're still in the 90s on the RSI. And there it goes, still stopping me out. Wow. Okay. Still going. Still going. All right. All right. Nothing but buyers out there right now, I suppose. Hmm. Let's do this. Let's change this to 4. I'll lose 50 bucks a pop. Hmm. Still no signs of coming down. This is a crazy, crazy pump. Oh, I wish I had options contracts right now. I wish I had calls in. Then I'd be like super happy. This is the great pump. Like, this is it. This is the great pump. Okay, let's break even at least. First sign of a red candle. Wow, still getting stopped though. Let's do this. We'll leave that stop there. I'm ready to move it. Come on down. How much more of this can we take? Where are the sellers at? Nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. Oh boy. At least that was a break even. Look at that. You still got a wick at the bottom of that candle. I'm really thinking I should just go long. Stop doing this. But how can I? Nothing makes sense. It doesn't make sense to go long. It doesn't make sense to buy her. Not at all. Okay. This will at least be a break even. Can lock in something here. No momentum on that. No momentum at all. Okay, what do we got? 2.5 minutes left. We're right back here. At least a break even again. Oh boy. I can only make 1,200 on this account tonight. So I got to put in a new long target here. I don't want to do that on the short side. I'm going to leave that there. Leave it there for now. So let's see here. I need like about an $850 swing. I'm not really sure what that would be. Break even again. see. Let's see what that would be. 850. I'd have to go back down to 60-20 from here. So that would be my target. No, hold on. Let's do this. $60.19.50. Okay. Hold on. No, stop. I think it's 60-20. Okay. I think we're good to start going down now. Let's see if it busts through that. Wouldn't that be funny if it just found support and bam, off it went again? Okay. We're just going to trail this down. See how many red candles we could get. I think this is the profit taking on this bump. Now, how far down it goes, I have no idea. It's pretty crazy. It's not even going to go that far, huh? It's going to just bounce off that VWAP, isn't it? All right, we'll be ready to go again. Market. Alrighty. We're still looking for that bigger down move. I mean, we got a little bit of a bounce here, but is that a bounce or is this a pullback? I mean, I don't know. Depends on how you want to look at it. All the technicals are saying, hey, we got to go down, at least to the previous high day. At least, right? I'm going to leave that there for now. Boy, there it goes. I can only hold a maximum of 3 contracts on this account. It's with my funded futures. Was thinking about moving it. I guess not. $33 seconds left. 30 seconds. Come on. Just break. Go down. that VWAP, it just boop. Now it's level. Man, I still can't believe I exited that trade. And I didn't even want to. I thought I was on the other account. Oh my goodness. Alright, bring it to break even. See what it does. Okay, there it goes again. Honestly, maybe I should just sit on my hands. Let's look at the other account real fast. See where we are. Are we close to busting it here? I guess we work on this one. You know what? You know, let this ride too. Yeah, whatever. YOLO. We're gonna do the maximum. 2, 3. 3 contracts. And let's see where our goal would be. Okay. I wish this would not do that. I don't know how to get this stop limit. I don't know. Okay, there we are. Now, do that. Now, what are we looking for? Just 1,000. A little less than 1,000, right? So, about $950. If we could do 950. I think. Let's see here. 1,200 minus 294.76. So 905. 905. Our target. Will be right there. 6028.75. All right, right down there, and then we're done. We're done on this account. Oh man. All right. So we lost one account, but we won another account today. So, we're still okay. I'll reset that eval account later, I guess. Try again. Hmm. Man, that sucks. How did it do that? I mean, when's the last time the RSI has been that high on the 5 minute? I have no clue. And let's see what happened last time that happened. Drop, 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 drop. So it's got to drop, right? Has to. Oh, that's just insane in the membrane. Hey, my analysis is good though, right? My weekly analysis. I'm telling you guys, this thing is going to all-time highs. Nobody really believes me, but I'm telling you, that's what's going to happen. I'm not even putting in a stop. No point. So I was thinking about moving the stop and trailing this, but nah, I'm not gonna do it. This is all or nothing, folks. I mean, I'm just gonna let it go. I'm pretty confident thing is gonna go down. It's got to recover something here. It's just that fear, of it coming back up and then just going on that crazy run again and getting stopped out again. Or not stopped out, but blowing this account again. Blowing two accounts in one night. We could do that. Why not? I don't mind. If we do, we'll just wait. We'll wait to trade another day. Oh, these prop firms. It's okay. All right, folks. I'm just gonna lock it in. I mean, uh, it's gone down far enough where I'm good with the stop where it's at. Because we're out of the extreme overbought on the 5 minute now. So no telling what this can do. And I, I mean, I could blow two accounts in one night. I'd be okay with it, but I really don't want to, you know. So let's see if this is on its way. Let's see if it's on its way. Okay, so we got stopped out there. I'm still gonna have the buy limit down here. I will just go in for one short. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of that. Still haven't hit our target yet. We're 437 over. Uh, I don't even want to do this because you know what? There's always an activation fee, and man, I'm just not that good. Like, am I really good enough to trade a funded account? I don't know. I don't think so. I'm going through it right now, folks. Okay, we'll short again. And we'll DCA. We'll have a DCA in store right there. For a total of 3. And then we'll calculate what our target price should be. Should it do that? So let's see here. 435. 700, I think. No. 800 plus 397. Yeah, that's just right. So 60, 29, 75 if we get DCA'd in. Did I say 60, 29, 75? I think I did. Oh, shoot. Let's see. If we had 3, and we were in for 3 up here, and we'd want to less than 800. So 750, 60, 32, 75. 60, 32, 75. Well, actually, it would average out somewhere, so we would have to calculate that a little later. Just somewhere around there. Which is a good thing. We didn't get filled, though. You know what? Forget it. We're going to go right back into it. I'm going to go for 2. Sell. Alright. Now let's see where we're at. So limit and our target profit. Target price would be where? 430. So 430. Gotta bust out the old calculator. So we want about 750. Right there, 60, 29, 25. 60, 29, 25. Yep, that would be good. Yeah, I should have waited. It always does that to me. Always does it. Is this a bull flag and is there another pump coming? I don't think so, honestly. That is some big player that just got into a huge position on a lot of volume. Whoever it may be. So, I mean, you could cut these in half, basically. 1,000. Yeah. Some institution. They're like, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're all-time highs, baby. And they're probably going to hold that position for like 5 years until the next Great Depression. And then they'll sell. Oh, man. This market, it's funny stuff. It really is. Funny stuff. Shouldn't have tried to catch the falling knife though, or the shouldn't have tried to stop that rocket. It was dumb. Dumb move. I should have known better. Those 4 contracts, I was so on till I was like, you know what? Let's do it. Whatever. It's got to come down, right? Nope. Well, it's going to come down, but not before you blow your account. Dumb dumb. I never learned. I tell you, that's the exact same way I blew my funded account. Same thing. Trying to go short, and it just keeps rocketing up. You know, I know it's a bull market, right? And why do I do that? If anything, I should do it the reverse way. You know? If it's dropping in a bull market, yeah, go ahead and try to go long, catch that falling knife with short stops. But don't go against the bull market, dummy. Will I ever learn? These are hard learned lessons, folks. But hey, at least it's just a prop firm account. I'm only losing like a couple $100 there. Well, on that one, I think I lost like 150. In total, though, on that prop firm account, man, on the take profit trader, I've reset it a couple times to pass on the third. That was $200. Then the activation fee, $330. Ugh, that's just sick. $330, but that's over the span of like, a month. Well, actually, a few months. Couple months. Yeah, a couple months. So, hey, it's okay. It's better that than, losing thousands of dollars. But we're learning. We're learning from our mistakes. Win or lose, no regrets. Just improvement. I'm not going to give up. We'll get there eventually. We will get there eventually. But still, this channel, I'm going to keep posting these videos, no matter if it looks silly or makes myself look dumb. Because what I'm looking for is just other traders to vote with me. We're going to have a voting system, vote on every 5-minute candle. Trading futures together. And I think that could be a wonderful thing. Just got to get the subscribers so I can go live already. And, I wouldn't mind doing that live. Whatever. It's entertaining at least. All right, again, we're just taking profit where we see it. Because this could be a bull flag, folks. We're seeing relief on the 5-minute now. 10-minute, we're still a little overbought, but we saw how much that matters when the big dogs come in. We're going to wait for a little bounce, and we'll go in short again. Show you. We'll do this. We'll put a sell limit at 60.38. Okay? Sell limit 60.38 with a target of $700. So $675. We'll see if that fills. Doing 3 contracts at a time. I want to do this as quick as possible. And if I blow it, I blow it. It's fine. No risk, no reward. Alrighty. Well, we're going to move this down just a bit. To the POC. Right there. So 60.37. And we're gonna have to move this down just a tad. $675. It's looking like it wants to just drop off. Hopefully we get a quick spike up and I can get filled on this. We may not though. We may not. Got some thunderstorms rolling in. I just inched it down, you know, just in case. I'm starting to feel the FOMO now. Fear of missing out. Man. Yeah, definitely not looking like a bull flag. That's for sure. Not right at this second. You know what? I think we go ahead and do it. Come on, bump on up. Fill me. Is it gonna fill me? Come on. Before you go down, don't leave me behind. Don't leave me behind. There we are. Okay. We're in. Yeah, it just looks like it's about to go fall down to the previous high day again. I expect a pullback, boop, and then up again. Fortunately, I don't have my other account to play with anymore. Boo-hoo. Okay, well, I definitely should have gone long, but I never learned my lesson. Oh man, I was like, here we go again. Oh, this is painful. It really is. Keep making the wrong decisions. Hmm. Is this a double top? I mean, just we need a bigger pullback than that. I guess that was a bull flag, you know? But maybe it's played out now. Now we got a double top, right? Double top, Batman head. Let's go down. Oh, I'm having a rough night tonight. Rough night. Alrighty, man. This thing just doesn't want to break. A lot of support here. I'm just gonna go ahead and reverse this. Okay, I can't. We'll just close. Can I close? Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and go long. Gotten a lot of relief on the 5 minute. 10-minute. Yeah, we got plenty of room to go up. And this is all bullish. I mean, what am I going to do? Maybe I should have held on for a little longer, huh? Nah, I think we're okay. I think we're going to pump up a little bit again. Because back here, I hit the profit target. Alright, let's see here. Where are we going? 675, so 60-40. Actually, we want a little bit higher, huh? what were we looking for? 725? 712? Yeah, 60-40 is our target. So see what happens. Let's see if it does drop off a cliff. I don't know. Could. All right. We're in the positive here. Gonna go ahead and put in my stop. Just lock in a winner. Even though it may not be that big of a winner. Hopefully it just keeps going. We're at 112. Ugh, okay. Thank goodness. I just want to hit that. I just want to hit that target already. Move it up a little bit. Trail it up. Looks like we got some movement. We're 2 ticks below the stop. I mean, 2 ticks below the price. 1 tick now. See if it comes back on us. Okay. See what's going on the order book. Just out of curiosity. All right, up we go. Back to 2 ticks. Nope. Wants to go up and down. Okay. Still in a bit of a lock here. More buy orders coming in though. That's a good sign. Or is it? Is that people shorting? I think this thing is going to fly up a little bit. Back to the top of the channel. Let's go. Back to the POC. Came back down on me. See what happens. I guess in this simulation, they just put you in the back. They put you in the back of the order book. I guess on the 16th contract at 6036. I don't know. That's what it seems like. Okay, and we got stopped out, but we're making some progress. Making some progress. It's getting pretty late. I got 15 minutes left. Let's see. We're still pretty overbought on the higher time frames. Kind of overbought on this 1 minute too. Let's go in for a short then. Well, let's do it. And where do we set our target? Don't know. So 500, we need 7. Just about 6. 675, 6031 right there. $60.31.50. Okay. I am pretty tired, folks. I'm pretty worn out here. Been a rough night. Been a rough night. Alright, let's see what happens here on the 1 minute. We may pop up a little bit, but I'm okay with that. I think we're due to come down just a tad, at least to this level. Alright, we'll go ahead and draw that out. So I think we can at least make it to 60.34.50. Let's see. Okay, so it yeah, we just caught a little gain there, 25. Let's see if we want the same. 637. Yeah, that'll work. Same target price. Same target price. Still looking at the 1 minute. 5 minutes right there too. Is this a big bull flag? I don't know. Head and shoulders pattern maybe? Yeah, we'll have to wait and see. This market's had all kinds of surprises for us tonight. That was a crazy pump, man. Okay, I don't know why there's so much slippage there, but okay, whatever. Yeah, let's see where we're at now. We just put ourselves in a worse spot. Oh, that sucks. 562. We need to bring those down. So 60, 30, 75 is our new target. Goodness, man. Can't believe we got bone on that entry. We should have entered like up here somewhere. Oh, whatever. Oh, man. So brutal. So brutal. Okay, I just got out of that trade. Um, just broke even. So I'm not so sure. I kind of want a better position. But we'll put our sell stop right there. If it breaks through. Other than that, we'll just get in a better spot. Because that was a horrible one. And we'll put a sell limit right here. Limit. Oh, okay. That's right. I can only have 3 at a time. Alrighty. That's fine. If it bounces up, maybe here, I will go ahead and get in. I'll just move my stop underneath. Oh, boy. So many trades tonight. Oh, so many trades. I should have never done that last trade on that other account. But it's okay. I mean, I'm not too broken up about it. I really am broken up because man, I got out of that stupid long and I would have hit my target. And it was an accident. I didn't mean to do that. So frustrating. So frustrating. All right, we got a little peak below there. Still not sure. Beginning of this candle. Okay, we're in it again. Let's just do our little calculations here. What are we looking for? We're looking for 675, 7. No, 675 will work. Okay, that's what we're looking for. So 60, 30, 25. I think. Let me just do some calculations real quick. It's already 10 o'clock at night for me. Oh boy. Let's see, 1200, 40% minus 571. 629. Okay, a little less than that. 600. 600 at 630, 60, 30, 75. Right there. Let's see what happens. Got a big green candle up. I should have waited. Should have waited. but that's okay. It's coming right back down. Okay, so here we are again. I'm gonna go ahead and put a buy limit there, buy stop. I mean, and put it right up here so we don't lose. Now let's hope it doesn't bounce again, because this is a slow ride down, and I want to get off this train. I just want to be done for the day. Just want to hit my goal. Come on. We're right there. I mean, this is no man's land, right? This should go right through. Right? Oh, man. Today was painful. It's not over yet. But, man, it's still painful. Minute still. Can't wait to be out. And then tomorrow will be another day to trade again. Okay, all right. We're just gonna move this to break even. I can't do this. Just taking 25 at a time. we're just gonna put it at break even. That way, can't lose on this trade. Oh, okay. Shoot, we did get tapped. Still got one though. I mean, I'll take one. Man, no, I need to hold three. DCA into this. Oh, yeah. Now we're in a worse position. Why do I do this to myself? Why? We need even further now. What are we looking for? So 599, 600. Look for 600. Oh, no. Three. Look for 600. 600. Where's 600? Right there. 60, 30, 25. Same spot, really. Okay. 60, 30, 23. 60, 30, 25. I think that's what it was. Let's just check again. Is that it? 600? Yeah. Okay. Okay. I guess we're just gonna let it go. I have confidence. This is going down. That's our target. We're just gonna leave it as it is. Okay, folks. Is this finally it? Boy, I'm not sure. But at least we could get a little bit of a bigger profit on this if it turns back on us again. Oh boy, is it going to? Man, I hope not. Just keep going. Keep going. You know you want to. There we go. There we go. All right. Yeah. There. Awesome. Just keep dropping. Got a ways to go. I don't know how much that is, but whatever it is, it'll make it better on the next one if we have to go in again. Okay, awesome. Go another 2 ticks. We'll just do half of the body, half of the candle. Hopefully that wick doesn't come up on us. Please don't. Please don't. Alright. Alright, we might actually hit our target. Because we are in no man's land right now. We're going to be done. We're going to be done. The reason I have my stop right here is because if it just bounces back up hard, I don't want to just lose all that. Might as well just capture it while it's there. There we are. Getting closer. Move it another tick. Because if you wind up with a huge wick, then yeah, we're going to be bouncing up higher. Okay. It's getting there. It's getting there. We're at 59.37, so just like a couple of hundred more bucks. This candle's still going. It could be a big candle. Not as big as this green. Definitely less volume. See, this, folks, over here is your sign that yes, tomorrow you ought to be very, very bullish. Nobody ever listens, man. They always look for those shorts. But then look at me. I don't listen to myself. Such an idiot. But I'm learning. I'm learning. That's why I need a team. People to remind me, like, hey, dum dum, why are you going short in a bull market? But yeah, this move, I am short in a bull market right now. But hey, this is the pullback. This is needed. Almost there. Almost there. Very close. It's going to the VWAP. No doubt. Oh, 20 seconds left. See if the sellers are still there. Please hit my target. Please hit my target. We can end on a good note. This should have been done a long time ago. Had I not accidentally got out on the way up. Oh, man. That was so heartbreaking. Because it went all the way up to that target. You know, that was a huge target. But still. Is it really that huge? I mean, no. Holding 3 contracts, too. Man. And I just exited out of all of them. Thinking I was going long. No, thinking that I was going short. Yeah, that was a bad decision anyway. But still, I don't feel so bad about that. It's like, you know, things happen. When the market maker comes in and starts buying up, what are you going to do? You know? I should have realized sooner that, hey, with all that volume that came in, hey, dum-dum, that is a big player. Don't go against the big money. But we're getting down there. Still half the candle. So if it goes up halfway, you know, we'll just be a good spot up here to go ahead and go short again. We're getting to be oversold on the 5-minute, but let's hope it's just got a little bit more. So what's happening here? Okay. There we go. Can move a tick or two down. 2 ticks. 2 more ticks down. See if this has room to push. We're just like we were 1 tick away from our target, folks. 1 tick away. Come on, just give me a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Almost there. See, this is where I'm regretting being so low, having this entry so low. If we were up just a little bit higher, we would have already been there. We would have gotten there. But there's still hope. There's still hope. No, come on. There we go. 1 more tick. Just 1 more tick. Let's go. It's right there. Oh, dang it. One more tick. Come on. I'm going to cancel this order as soon as it hits. Boy, I'm just short. Just shy. I'm just shy of it. Oh. Alright. There we are. 31. Okay. 51,155. Alright, that's it, folks. Man, that was a lot of pain tonight. Blew one account. Exited early on that other buy on accident. Shouldn't have done it. Oh, yeah. Total accident. Man. But we have hit our goal for the day. Awesome. Let's pass this eval. Alright, this is the one we won for free today on Mike Swartz's channel. Thank you, Mike. You're an awesome dude. He is an awesome guy, though. He does these giveaways, which is very cool. Anyway, time to go to sleep. This is 18 Trading Strategies signing off.